Hi, is this seat free? The restaurant is very busy tonight. I do not see any other empty table.
Yes, this seat is free. Please sit down if you want. This place is popular, especially on Friday nights.
Thank you, Alex. Oh, you remember my name. That is nice. We met here once before, right?
Yes, I remember you. We spoke for a few minutes near the front door last month. You said you liked this restaurant because the food was simple and fresh.
That is right. I come here when I want to relax after a long day. Good food makes me feel better, even if it costs a little more.
I understand that. A nice meal can change your mood. Still, I always check the price before I order anything.
Really? I am a little different. When I feel tired, I want to enjoy the moment and not think too much about money.
That sounds nice, but I try to be careful. Life is easier when you save a little every month. I enjoy things too, but I like balance.
Balance is good, yes. But sometimes I think people save too much and forget to live. We work hard, so we should enjoy something too.
I agree with that idea. Saving money does not mean saying no to everything. It means choosing what is really worth your money.
That makes sense. For me, a good dinner, a small trip, or a pretty dress can feel worth it. Those things make life bright and fun.
For me, worth is a little different. I like to spend money on healthy food, books, and travel with a clear plan. I do not like buying things only because they look nice for one day.
So you are not a shopping person. I think I am more emotional when I buy things. If I see something cute, I may want it right away.
Many people do that. Stores are made to make us feel that way. Sometimes I wait 1 or 2 days before I buy something, and then I see if I still want it.
That is a smart idea. I should try that with clothes and makeup. Last month I bought 3 lipsticks, and honestly, they all looked almost the same.
That happens more often than people think. Small spending can look harmless, but it grows fast. A coffee here, a snack there, and a few online orders can become a big number.
You are right. I never worry about one small thing, but at the end of the month, my wallet feels light. Then I ask myself where my money went.
I used to do the same when I was younger. I ate out a lot and bought expensive shoes. One day, I looked at my bank account and felt shocked.
Really? You seem very calm and in control now. It is hard to imagine you making messy money choices.
I learned the hard way. I had a time when I wanted to look successful all the time. Later, I understood that real success is not about showing off. It is about feeling secure.
I like that. Feeling secure is important. But I still think joy matters too, because tomorrow is never promised.
That is true. We cannot only plan for the future and forget today. But if we enjoy today wisely, tomorrow can also feel peaceful.
So maybe the real question is not save money or enjoy. Maybe the question is how to do both without stress. I think that is the difficult part.
Exactly. I think of money like food on a plate. You do not eat everything in 1 minute, and you do not leave the plate untouched either.
That is a very good example. So maybe I need a fun budget. I can save most of my money, but keep a small part for little happy things.
Yes, that works well for many people. When you plan a fun budget, you can enjoy spending without guilt. You know your limit, so your mind stays calm.
I would love that feeling. Sometimes when I buy something nice, I feel happy first and worried later. It is not a good mix.
Then a simple plan could help you. You do not need anything complicated. Just write down your income, your basic bills, your savings goal, and your fun money.
That sounds easy enough. I always thought budgeting was boring and difficult. But the way you explain it makes it feel clear and possible.
It does not need to be boring. In fact, a good budget gives you more freedom. It helps you enjoy things without fear.
I never thought about it that way. I thought saving money meant saying no all the time. Now it feels more like saying yes, but with a plan.
Yes, that is exactly it. A plan protects your future and also respects your present. You deserve both safety and happiness.
I like talking with you, Alex. You sound practical, but not cold. Some people talk about money like life is only numbers.
Thank you, Sophia. I do care about numbers, but I also care about peace of mind. Money is only a tool. It should support life, not control it.
That is a beautiful way to say it. Maybe I can start with something small this week. I can cook at home more often and save restaurant dinners for special nights.
That is a great start. You do not need to change everything at once. Small habits are easier to keep, and they become strong over time.
And maybe when I do go out, I can enjoy it more because it feels special. I think that would make the evening even better. Less often, but more meaningful.
I agree. When everything is a treat, nothing feels special. But when you choose carefully, simple things can feel wonderful.
You know, I came here tonight ready to order the most expensive dessert. Now I am thinking maybe I should choose something smaller. Not because I must, but because I want to be wiser.
That sounds like a healthy change. And being wise does not mean being boring. We can still order dessert, just maybe one to share.
One dessert to share sounds perfect. It saves money and still feels nice. See, we are already practicing balance.
We are. Maybe this is the answer to your question tonight. Save some money, enjoy some life, and do both with intention.
I love that answer. It feels simple, real, and kind. I think many people need to hear it.
Then maybe tonight was useful for both of us. You reminded me to enjoy the moment more, and maybe I helped you think about money in a softer way.
Yes, you did. I will remember this dinner when I spend money next time. I will ask myself, do I really want this? And is it worth it?
That is a strong question. If the answer is yes, enjoy it fully. If the answer is no, keep your money and thank yourself later.
Deal. And next time I come here, I will tell you if my new fun budget is working. I hope I can make good progress.
I would like to hear that. And maybe next time, dinner will taste even better, because it comes with peace, not regret.